Yes.
So if a friend of mine buys non-kosher food like a sandwich that has non-kosher meat or chicken,
Yeah.
can or cannot he warm it in my oven or microwave oven?
No. It's your oven is going to become tray. You need to kasher it. Yeah, that's not allowed. That's what that's example when we were given he said when the dish or pot became treif. So this expression means that by accident something not kosher was used in that pot, like example that you gave, for example.
How would be a way to warm this without in a way that whatever element I use to warm it is going to be it's going to be kosher.
Mm-hmm. How will you do it in your so I
was thinking over the stove. I was
Oh,
thinking
no. On top of the stove is a less issue, right? So if you wrap in aluminum foil, maybe double wrap, triple wrap, 4 times wrap, so it would be less of an issue. Yes.
Still, whatever I used to as a surface, later on it would be needed to be kosher.
No, because it did not touch the actual food and it was wrapped. So in this case, you can rely on it. And technically, I mean, we do not recommend, but technically, if somebody needs to heat up his own food in a non-kosher microwave, so we just do the double wrap, and we can warm up like that. Can you do it with not kosher sandwich? Okay, technically you can, but not recommended.
And what will be the procedure if a rodent contaminated a dish? It's kosher now?
Rodents, there's no problem. Just wash it. That's it.
Is it not needed to boil water?
No. There's no problem whatsoever. Even if something not kosher but clean touch, I apologize, cold. I mean cold. Some not kosher but cold touch this your dish. There's no problem. You don't have to go through the hot water. Technically, and that's why technically we said before. So you can buy, for example, the glasses for wine or something that were used by Gentiles, right? Not right. So you can buy wine because they never used like in a glass from for wine or champagne or whatever these glasses. They would never put it like hot chicken broth. Right? No, nobody does that. So it was most likely it was cold. Wherever there was a cold, was water, was wine, was juices, whatever was it, right? And that's it. So you can kasher it simply as you kasher after the liquids, after cold liquids. It's very simple to kasher.